Today, I'm about to show you a super creative poster design that will make your friends go, "Wow, how did you do that?" And the best part, you can do it all in just a few minutes. Step 1. Set up your canvas. All right, let's dive in. First things first, go to File, New. We're creating a fresh canvas with dimensions of 20 centimeters by 29.9 centimeters. Perfect size for a poster that pops. Step 2. Place your main image. Next, drag and drop your main image onto the canvas. And hey, I've got you covered. Download the image using the link in the description below. Step 3. Add a bold rectangle. Time to make this poster stand out. Choose the rectangle tool and draw a nice rectangle like this. Make it red, because who doesn't love a splash of red, right? Now press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position. Simple. Step 4. Blend and transform. To make it blend smoothly, change the blending mode of this rectangle to multiply. Then press Ctrl+T, right-click, and select Skew. Follow along with me here. You'll see the magic happen. Step 5. Place another image. It's time to add some more texture. Place another image over the canvas. Yep, links in the description for this one too. Change its blending mode to screen. Look at that. It's already starting to look awesome. Step 6. Adjust the background. Click on the background layer, then add a solid color adjustment layer. Choose a dark gray color. This creates a nice contrast for the upcoming text elements. Dark and moody, just how we like it. Step 7. Add the main text. Pick the text tool, choose white as the color, and follow these settings I'm using. Type in your text. Get creative with it. Don't worry about the font. I've got you covered with a download link in the description. Now make a copy of this text layer by pressing Ctrl+J, drag it down, and repeat this process a few more times. Step 8. Group and align text. Select all your text layers and press Ctrl+G to group them. Then click this button here to distribute them vertically. It's all about that perfect alignment. Reduce the opacity of the group to 70% and hide it for now. We'll come back to it later. Promise, it's for a good reason. Step 9. Add some featured text. Click on the top layer and grab the text tool again. Type out your featured text. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Tweak the size until it looks just right. Make a copy by pressing Ctrl+J, drag it down, and edit it. Step 10. Create a stylish black rectangle. Draw a black rectangle, then drag it right below the text layer. Select both the rectangle and the text layer, then align them for a clean look. Make another copy by pressing Ctrl+J, drag it down, and edit the text. Let's add some variation with different fonts. Don't worry, I've linked them all below. Keep repeating this process until you've got a series of cool-looking text elements. Step 11. Group, adjust, and mask. Select all the left side text layers and group them with Ctrl+G. Adjust their size and position. Now, do the same for the right top text layers. Select this layer and add a layer mask. Grab your brush tool, set opacity to 100% and flow to 35%. Make sure the foreground color is black and gently paint over this area for a nice fade effect. Step 12. Reveal the grouped text. Now it's the moment of truth. Unhide the grouped text and take a look. Our poster is complete. Your very own stunning poster design made easy in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop tricks, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!